When it comes to renovations, it all starts with the right foundation, which is why you've chosen DryBarrier to get the job done and get it done right. The very first step in your subflooring project is to figure out how many tiles are needed for the space. By using this simple formula, you can easily determine the total number of tiles required and how many boxes you'll need. Now you have the right amount of tiles for the space. While it's tempting to get started right away, you'll want to be sure that the tiles acclimatize at a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 24 hours. In the meantime, you should gather all of the tools you'll need for installation. You can also prep the floor in advance by correcting any bumps, ridges, or dips in the concrete surface and sweep or vacuum the space to remove any dirt or debris. If the concrete floor has dips greater than 1/4 inch within a 6-foot span, we recommend applying a leveling compound prior to installing the subfloor. Once your DryBarrier tiles have adjusted to the room temperature, it's time to lay them down in 4 easy-to-follow steps. Start in one corner of the room. Place the first tile down with the female spacer snaps against the 2 walls and the male snaps facing outwards. Place the next tile down flat and then simply slide and snap together, ensuring that all the snaps are properly engaged. You should install the tiles in a stack pattern and then cut the last tile to size in each row with one of the cutting tools. It's important to remember to maintain a minimum 1/4 inch space from the wall for proper airflow circulation. To allow for optimized airflow below your flooring, cut an opening approximately 3 by 10 inches every 8 to 10 feet along the room perimeter, and then finish the openings with floor vents. Finally, you'll place sheathing tape across all tile seams for a complete vapor barrier seal. That's it! Your DryBarrier subfloor system is fully installed. It really is that simple. And now you can place your choice of floor coverings following the necessary steps depending on the material. For laminate, floating engineered hardwood, and vinyl, ensure the DryBarrier subfloor doesn't have any excessive bounce throughout before installation. With floating engineered hardwood, be sure to review the manufacturer's guidelines for humidity level requirements. For carpeting, install tack strips on top of DryBarrier around the room perimeter. To prevent the DryBarrier tiles from lifting up when stretching out the carpet, simply drive a 1 1/4 inch concrete nail through the tack strip, through the DryBarrier subfloor, and into the concrete every 16 inches, or as required around the room perimeter. Carpet underpadding is recommended to be taped together, or it can also be stapled down to the DryBarrier subfloor. Review the flooring manufacturer's guidelines when installing your finished floor. Step back and breathe easy, knowing that you've made the healthy choice for your family. It's the peace of mind you deserve. DryBarrier. True protection and comfort.